It is ice cream season, and today we are going to make this refreshing, creamy lemon ice cream made with fresh lemons. And these are all the ingredients that you will need. So go ahead and get everything pre-measured so that we can make this delicious ice cream together. Now I made a half a batch, but I'm going to give you the measurements for the full batch, which is 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, the juice from 1 to 2 lemons, depending upon how lemony you want your ice cream. One tablespoon of lemon zest. And go ahead and give this a stir until everything is well combined. And before I add in the sweetener, I am giving this a taste test just to make sure that I have enough lemon in it to suit my needs. And then you're going to add 3/4 cup of allulose sweetener. Give this a stir until the sweetener dissolves. And at this point, it is ready to put into a container with a lid and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Now it's time to churn this ice cream. Set it to the settings according to your ice cream maker. Give this ice cream mixture a stir just to make sure that everything is still well incorporated. And pour it in. And about 20 minutes later, this ice cream is ready. It's time to put this into an ice cream container. Freeze for several hours. And then get ready for the most delicious, refreshing, lemony, fresh lemon ice cream. Bon appetit.